Happy New Year 2023 goes and 2024 has arrived, so unlock your digital future in 2024. Are you ready to make the most of 2024? As we bid farewell to 2023, seize the opportunity to transform your life with our advanced digital marketing course. Right now you have one question in mind, that is digital marketing a good career option in 2024? And the answer is yes. Yes, digital marketing continues to be a highly promising and lucrative career option in 2024. In a world where the digital population is booming, acquiring digital marketing skills is a game changer. Whether you're a student looking to earn extra income, a freelancer seeking clients, or a business owner wanting to boost your online presence, digital marketing is the key to solving every problem. You should consider taking a digital marketing course. Students and graduates, entrepreneurs and small business owners, marketing professionals, freelancers and consultants, sales professionals, career switchers, job seekers, content creators and bloggers, traditional business professionals. Why choose our course? Our course covers every aspect of digital marketing in detail. Worried about staying focused? We've got you covered. Receive a planner to guide you through the course with precision and concentration. What's included in our Digital Marketing Specialist course? Digital Marketing Basics, WordPress Website Mastery, Search Engine Optimization SEO Mastery, Affiliate Marketing Essentials, Google Ads Domination, Facebook Ads Domination, LinkedIn Lead Generating Magnet Course, Marketing Automation with GetResponse, Zapier Mastery, Hands-on Automation Course, plus learn Canva designing for social media. The big question is why you choose our course. We understand the struggle of incomplete courses, so we provide a comprehensive package to ensure your success. Don't let this year go to waste. Invest in your future now. Why choose our course? Comprehensive learning, structured learning, bonus course, LinkedIn Lead Generating Magnet course, triple certification. Avail a bonus package worth 10,000 rupees to supercharge your digital journey. After learning digital marketing, you can apply your skills and passions in various roles within a company. Here are some potential areas where you can contribute. Digital Marketing Specialist/Manager, Social Media Manager, Content Marketing Specialist, Email Marketing Specialist, Influencer Marketing Coordinator, E-commerce Marketing Specialist, Brand Manager. Frequently asked questions. Can I access course materials on a flexible schedule, or is it a fixed timeline? How long does it take to complete a digital marketing course? What sets your digital marketing course apart from others in the market? In-depth curriculum, specialized focus on marketing automation and hands-on with Zapier, exclusive ebooks bundles, handwritten notes for enhanced learning, freebies for all aspects of digital marketing, practical application with real-world examples, interactive learning environment, lifetime access to all resources. Are there any job placement or internship opportunities after completing the course? Are there any prerequisites for enrolling in a digital marketing course? Are there any success stories or testimonials from previous course participants? Don't waste another year. Take charge of 2024 and make it a year of growth and success with our advanced digital marketing course.